Hey guys, this is Maria from shvoysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Instagram Explore page. Instagram Explore page is designed to help you find new content that you will most likely enjoy based on your behavior, like what profiles you follow, what posts you like and comment on, what Instagram stories and IGTV videos you watch. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use it. Log into Instagram. Press on the Discover tab and the Explore page will appear on your screen. Here you can see the post of accounts that Instagram thinks you might like but don't already follow. What is more, there are icons of the channels at the top of the page like IGTV, where you can watch different long videos, Shop, that allows you to make a purchase, if you go right, you will see other sections on different topics such as travel, food, art, style, and etc. Also, being on the Explore page, you can click on the search bar and look for accounts, tags, and places. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Instagram Explore page. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at shvoysocial.com.